Determine the amount of paint required. This takes experience and may require checking by a tradesman, as it depends on the size and nature of the job. Find the vehicle paint code and year model, then find the paint formula. Most paint codes are on a tag under the bonnet. Some cars have them in the boot compartment, for example Volkswagen and some European cars, or inside the door openings, for example Honda. If you can't find the paint code, contact the vehicle manufacturer with the vehicle identification number. Once you have located the paint code number on the vehicle, you must use a color index manual to identify the color you require and the type of paint it is formulated with. Check for color variations. Once you have entered the paint code into the computer, it'll show you if there are any variations. This can be checked by using the color chip card supplied by the paint manufacturer. If there are no color chip cards, you should always mix the lighter variant, as this will be easier to adjust than a darker color. Stir and check the color tinters. The tinter must be stirred before use because the pigments in the color settle, and you won't achieve the accurate mix. The amount of tinter required compared to the amount of tinters available must be checked. The worst thing that can happen is to get halfway through mixing a color and you run out of tinter. Use a computerized weight tinting machine in conjunction with a computerized tinting system to mix the color. The procedure is as follows. Once the computer has found the correct color you are mixing, click Ready. The computer will tell you the code of the tinter you are to use first. Add the tinter slowly. As you add the tinter, watch the indicator on the computer to see how much needs to be used. Once the indicator has reached the required amount, stop. If you go over the required level, the bar will turn red, indicating you have used too much of that tinter. The computer will adjust the formula so that the final mix is correct.